today. Hope you're liking the videos. Today we are going to make a mini garden. For this we need coasters, push pins, stopper, syringe, seeds, planter pots, water holder, water tower, water, stirrer, tube and cocoa peat pellets. Let's start. Put the water holder on top of the water tower. Then take the tube in between of the holes and then do it from the water holder's hoop and make sure the end of the pipe is touching the floor. Put the tube on the cross of the coasters. Now, with the help of a push pin, we need to make a hole in between of the tube. Now remove the push pins. Now put the planter pots on the coasters. Then put copeet in bottom of the pots. First put the big cocoa peat, then the small. Now pour some water in the pots. Then you will see the cocoa peat is growing. the seeds. After sprinkling the seeds, take the tube in the hoop to the last hoop. Now attach the syringe on the other end of tube. Now we will pour some water in water holder. Now we will pull this. Now when the water reaches to the end of the tube, remove the syringe and plug the stopper. Like this. Observe the water dripping into the planter pots through the holes. My mini garden is ready. Like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.